In the vast tapestry of African history, Angola emerges as a land woven with sacred threads of struggle, triumph, and transformation. Its spirited narrative begins with the ancient Kingdom of Congo, established in the 14th century, thriving on agriculture, trade, and a centralized religious leadership. Among the revered figures was King Nzinga, whose reign marked the kingdom's flourishing prosperity. With the dawn of the 15th century came the Portuguese explorers, driven by the fervor to unearth the riches of the continent and spread their religious doctrine. Under the guidance of Diogo Chao, Angola became a focal point of colonial ambition. This era heralded the dawn of an age that would profoundly shape Angola's destiny, marked by the ominous shadow of the Atlantic slave trade. Countless souls were seized from their homeland, their forced journeys echoing with hearts bound to the sacred soil of Angola. A beacon of resistance rose in the form of Queen Nzinga in the 17th century. Her indomitable spirit and fierce diplomacy became a legendary testament to Angola's resilience. Nzinga fought valiantly against the Portuguese, preserving the kingdom's sovereignty through guile and strategic alliances. Her legacy etched in Angola's heart is one of warrior queenship and unyielding defiance. Centuries passed with Angola trapped in the colonial grip until the rumbling storm of liberation movements began to sweep across the land. In 1961, the sacred call to freedom erupted with the Angolan Independence War, a movement that would ignite the fervor of its people. Figures like Agostinho Neto emerged, carrying the torch of liberation forward. He became the emblematic leader of the Movimento Popular de Libertação de Angola, MPLA, a force that relentlessly pursued the sacred dream of independence. With the zeal of warriors, Angola could finally lay claim to its independence on November 11, 1975, its sovereign cry recognized amidst the worldwide community.